Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Create a AWeber Subscriber from Google Ads. So I'm running a business, and to promote my business I'm using Google Ads. And I wish that as soon as a new lead is received in my Google Ads, automatically with the help of that lead details, a new subscriber should be added to my AWeber too. For this, we are going to create a connection between Google Ads and AWeber. To create this connection, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So in Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger and action. For trigger, we are going to use Google Ads, and for action, we are using AWeber. So if you want to learn this process step by step without using any coding language, follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video, you are going to learn how to create a AWeber subscriber from Google Ads. For this, we are going to create a connection between AWeber and Google Ads. To create this connection, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and I open it by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. You can also open it so easily. And as soon as you'll open the landing page of Pabbly, you will get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you'll get 100 of tasks free every month. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting two applications, which is AWeber and Google Ads. So we are going to click on Access Now. And now it is opening my dashboard. And to start with the automation, we are going to click on this button right over here, which says Create Workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which says automations, and I want to name my workflow as how to create a AWeber subscriber from Google Ads. And now we are going to click on create. And now it is opening the most important window of our automation, that is our workflow window. This is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this, you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the command. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here, we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger. So now we are going to select our trigger application as Google Ads. I'll search for it and select this. And now for the trigger event, we are going to select new lead form entry. Because I want that as soon as a new lead form entry is submitted in my Google Ads, automatically a subscriber should be created in AWeber. And now it is providing me with a AWeber URL. So to connect our workflow with our Google Ads account, we are going to read the instructions. It is saying sign into your Google Ads account. In the page menu on the left, click on campaigns. I'll open my Google Ads account. Over here, you can see that I'm creating my first campaign. So this is a dummy campaign, and if you are running a live campaign, you will have to connect your live campaign with your Pabbly's workflow. So I'll just connect the dummy campaign, and over here you will see add features to your ads to get more clicks. So now over here you will see lead forms. I'll open this and then I'll click on add the assets. And yes, you can see that it is opening lead form for my campaign. I'll select the details like name, phone number and email. And after that, I'll move on forward. I'll go to lead delivery options. Over here, you can see the AWeber URL and the key. So for this, we are going to our workflow. Copy this URL and we'll paste it over here. And for the key, I'm going to enter the dummy key. And now we are going to click on send test data. And yes, you can see that it is saying test data sent successfully. So we'll open our workflow and check that if Pabbly has captured the response or not. And yes, over here you can see the demo name, the demo email and the demo phone number. This means that Pabbly has captured the response and our trigger step is successful. Please note that I have received the demo name, demo phone number and the demo email because I'm running a demo campaign or a sample campaign. So if you are running a live campaign, you will receive the real details of your leads. So now after completing my trigger step, I'm moving on to my action step. For our action application, we are going to select AWeber. We'll select this. And now for the action event, we are going to select add or update subscriber. And now we are going to click on connect. And you can see that it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your AWeber account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection and then save. but I'm going to click on add a new connection and then connect with AWeber. And now it is asking me for some permissions and the login name and password. So I'll just fill in these details and click on allow access. You can also click on allow because Pabbly is safe and your data is secure with Pabbly. So I'll enter the login name and password. And now we are going to click on allow access over here. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected a AWeber account with our Pabbly's workflow. And over here you can see connected. And now after connecting, I'll select the account ID and the list ID. And now we are going to map the details like full name, email and the another details. So mapping means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Google Ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only. So I'll search for full name right over here. I'll map full name. And then we'll map the email. So over here you can see the email address. And then it is asking me for some of the another details. So if you wish, you can fill all these details, but I am not filling this because these are not the required details and I don't wish to add these details in my AWeber. So I'll directly go to mobile number and fill the mobile number. And yes, you can see that I have mapped all these details I wished. And as soon as I map these details, all of these details have now become dynamic and these will change with every new lead form received. So now we are moving forward and now we are going to click on save and send test request. But before clicking on this, as you can see over here is the dummy email, that is test@example.com. So AWeber will not accept this. So I'll just remove the dummy email and enter a real email as demoUser@pabblytudes.com. I changed this email because I want to show you the response received. And now we are going to click on save and send test request. And yes, you can see that we have received the positive response. This means that our data has been added to our AWeber. So we are going to open our account, refresh the page, go to subscribers. And over here you can see the name, full name, email, demoUser@pabblytudes.com. Status has been added to our AWeber too. This means that our automation is successful. So I'll just summarize the workflow for you once. For a trigger application, we selected Google Ads. For a trigger event, we selected new lead form entry. We connected our Google Ads account with our Pabbly's workflow just by pasting this URL in my campaign lead form. And then Pabbly captured the response. Over here, you can see the dummy response received. And then we moved on to our action step. For our action application, we selected AWeber. For our action event, we selected add or update subscriber. We connected our account with our Pabbly's workflow and then we selected the account ID, list ID. We mapped the details like full name, email and mobile number. We mapped these details because we wanted these details to be dynamic and change with every new lead received. And then we clicked on save and send test request and over here you can see the response subscriber that we have added in our AWeber. This means that our workflow is successful. So if you have any query related to the workflow or the video, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone the workflow and share the workflow link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly, you can integrate many more applications. So now, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.